and I'm here to do another tutorial with all of you. I'm excited about this one because it's a new feature on ConvertKit, and new features on ConvertKit make me happy. I feel like the new features are definitely a result of all of the users coming together and saying we want more, and ConvertKit has definitely delivered on this one. If you have a digital product, an ebook, a membership, a subscription, a cookbook, Zoom group, something that you sell that's not tangible online, this is an amazing feature that you can use in ConvertKit. If you have a ConvertKit paid account, not the free account, the paid account, you possibly have this option. So initially, ConvertKit rolled this out in only certain countries. So depending on what country you're in, you have this option. But if you're in some countries that don't have it, you might not show it up. It might not show up on your dashboard. So what it is, it's basically a commerce feature of ConvertKit. So rather than having to use a third party to sell and host your ebook, you can sell it in ConvertKit. You can host it in ConvertKit. It's phenomenal. So for example, I used to have my ebooks on my website in WooCommerce, but now I can just have my ebook right here in ConvertKit. So imagine paying for the ConvertKit subscription and not having to pay another platform to have your ebook on. So I don't want to name the competitors, but this is a really good feature that ConvertKit created, and it allows me to get the most out of my subscription to their platform. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So here I am on my dashboard. When you go to Earn at the top in the navy blue bar, it says products, sell digital products and content subscription directly to your audience. So let's click that here. So what this allows you to do is sell products, maybe like an ebook that's maybe $10.99, as well as set up subscriptions, which is like a monthly fee. So imagine like you have a membership community that pays $12.99 every month. They can actually pay ConvertKit, and then the payouts go to you in Stripe. So let's create a product for an example of how to set up a product here in ConvertKit. So in the top right button, there's a big button that says new product. Select that. And here, this is the first page. So it says product details. You can always change these later. So let's say vegan cookbook. That's going to be the name of our product. I am not vegan. I am vegetarian, but I love vegan food. Then pricing method. So if you select standard, that's a one-time fee. So let's say this workbook was $10.99, right? And then the other option is subscription, where it's like a reoccurring fee. So let's say it was $10.99 every month to have this book. So those are the two options. And then you have pay what you want. So maybe you tell your customers to pay you whatever they want. Maybe it's $1, maybe it's $10,000, whatever you prefer. In this case, we're going to set up a standard one-time fee. And the price, like I said, is going to be $10.99 USD. So as you can see right here, it has USD. Okay, so $10.99 USD. And now we're going to select next. Now you have next, and what you're going to have to do is actually add the file here. So the actual recipe book, right, the cookbook, you would add the file here. Okay, and when you add the file here, it will now be able to be delivered from ConvertKit to the person who purchases it. So what you can do is drag and drop. So what I'm going to do is drag and drop the file in. So here I have my file in here. It's a JPEG, but this might be a PDF for you, whatever you select as your product file. Then you select next. Okay, so I added the actual file here, and now it says I'm selling a digital download. So if it was an actual ebook or cookbook, you put it here. And then the other option is a newsletter, members only newsletter, or something else, coaching service, etc. You would select what the actual product is. In this case, it's an ebook, so we're going to select that. We have the product file listed here. If you needed to change it, you can press the garbage can and change it. But now we're going to select the button next, the red button here that says next. Right, now you actually want to add the domain. So we're going to select a domain here. This is just a test domain, and it shows you the domain and then what the extension of the address is going to show. So it's going to show vegan cookbook, which is the name of the digital product. So create product. So we press the red button that says create product. What you can do here on this page is you can change the fonts, you can change the headings, you can change the photo. If I wanted to select the photo, what you would do here is select on the tab here on the right hand side whatever photo you want to add. If you wanted to change the button, you can change it to change the text buy now. You can change the color. I hope you can see me doing this. I'm basically just modifying all of the settings on the right hand side in this bar here. For photo, I would click the actual photo area and then I can select whatever photo I would like, and that would change the photo here. Let's select replace, and I'll just show you for an example, and I can use an unsplashed. Let's just type the word veggies, and here we have all these cool veggies, and we'll add that as our photo. So I randomly selected that photo, $10.99 vegan cookbook, and then here you can write a description. You click the text and you delete it, and now you can write what you want. So here I have a great resource, okay? And now I have basically the product. So the price, the name, and a button that says buy now. Next, I can create the checkout. So when people are checking out, what does it look like? It has your email, they put their email, they put their payment in, and then it has the button that says pay, okay? You can also change the fonts, you can change the colors, again, on the right hand side where it says general styles. In this case, I don't really want to change anything. I would keep it simple. Then at the top right, you see where it says confirmation. Now you can change whatever you would like on this page. If you want to change the text, check your email for download. You can change that. If you want to change where it says thank you, I'm going to put happy eating. So however you want to customize these pages, the checkout, the confirmation, you can. Okay. And then you can change the background color. So let's click background color and we're going to pick red. Let's do more of a red. Okay, there we go with red. Okay, and then the receipt email is the email that they would receive in their inbox. You can change this text again. You can also use some of the shortcuts here to include their name. Enjoy this ebook. And all I'm doing is clicking the areas and the text that I want to change, deleting it, and then adding my text. Okay, and then what this page does, it gives them the actual download. So remember when we added the file initially? Now when they click download this red button, it's going to download the file to their computer or to their device. Perfect. So now what we have is a listing for digital products. Isn't that amazing? You never paid any additional fees. We can create as many of these as we want to. ConvertKit allows you to create as many as you want. And all you have to do now is save. You press that gray button at the top left that says save. We can check out settings, right? So let's just double check, make sure that it's perfect here. The name is right, the price is here. It tells you some more details about the settings here. It lets you know how it's fulfilled. It's a digital download. Here's the actual product. Discount codes. If you want to create a discount code, you can. Let's say you want to take $2 off. Definitely add a discount code here. You can click the button and then the code could be vegan discount $2, or you can do the drop down, which will give you a percent, and you can limit it to 5 coupons at that amount, right? And you can add or delete these coupons as you want. Then domain name, we have this domain name as our domain, right? So there we go. We have some more settings added, and we're going to press save again just to be sure. Okay. And now we click the red publish button because that's what we really want. We want this link. You see this link here? And where it has the copy button, we want to copy this because this is what we're going to use to share this digital product. So when somebody gets this link, they'll be able to purchase a digital product. Okay. If you want to include the discount code in the link, you can toggle this on and select whatever discount code you want. If you don't want a discount code, you can just use the link as is. So you press the copy, that red button that says copy, and then share that link. You can also embed this into your website. So this is the code that you could use, right, to embed it to your website or your blog, whatever you prefer. Okay, and usually I just take this link and I share it on my Twitter, I share it on my email list, etc. And then we click publish and everything is ready to go. Let's go back one more page. I want to show you something that's really unique. So here in the products tab, you see the name of the product, how many purchases, and how much money you've made off of it. And that's really cool. So no matter what products you have here, you're going to be able to see the stats on it. And ConvertKit's really good at that, giving you the stats on products, on your email campaigns, on your broadcasts, etc. So I'm not surprised that they included this here as well. And if you want to edit it, you can click these three buttons. Click edit. If you want to delete, you can delete. So this is how you would create a digital product in ConvertKit. This is totally a part of your membership. If you want to switch over to ConvertKit, click the link in the description box. I would love for you to support me by using my affiliate code. This doesn't change the price for you. It just gives me a bit of a thank you for bringing all these amazing people to ConvertKit. I really appreciate your support. It helps me create more content for you. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, definitely leave your questions below. I'm happy to answer. If you ever have a question, I definitely check out the comments, so do not hesitate. Find me on Instagram at Aquila Farrell and Twitter at Aquila Farrell. Those links are in the description box. I can't wait to speak with all of you. Have a great day. Happy email marketing. Enjoy. Bye for now.